Welcome to Build My Mini. They say that when the world feels too big to handle, you should focus on something small. Today, we aren't just building a baby room diorama, we are building a sanctuary. There is something deeply healing about creating a nursery room, a place of safety and quiet. If you've been carrying a lot of weight lately, I invite you to put it down and just create. Listen to the sound of the paper. Feel the resistance as you fold the cardstock. This is called tactile grounding. When your brain is racing with what-ifs and deadlines, these physical sensations act as an anchor. You are teaching your nervous system that in this moment, the only thing that matters is the perfect alignment of this tiny shelf. One breath at a time. As the baby room diorama starts to take shape, you might notice the noise in your head starting to fade. This is the flow state. It's a natural antidepressant. By focusing on these micro details and the placement of tiny objects, giving your mind a vacation from stress, you're not just a crafter, you're the architect of your own peace. You have total control here. In this tiny world, everything is exactly where it's supposed to be. The room is ready. It's quiet, it's safe, and it's yours. If you enjoyed this journey, I hope you'll take a moment to breathe and appreciate what you've built today. You can find the templates for this project in my Etsy shop. Remember, your creativity is a gift to your mental health. Until next time, stay calm and keep crafting.